What's up, everyone? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So like always, guys, man, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, you're new to the channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe right down below the video. And like always, man, put that thumbs up. Not only does it help out the channel, but some advice that I give it might help somebody else out who's having the same issue. So make sure y'all put that thumbs up. That way this video gets recommended and helps out other G35 owners. But for the most part, like always, man, greatly appreciate it. That being said, if y'all saw the title to today's video, guys, I really wasn't expecting this, being that I've never had this happen to me before. And since I just got tint on the car, I thought, hey, now that I got tint, being that this Texas heat in the summer, it was gonna help out with cooling down the vehicle. Well, now my blower motor is acting up, and well, yeah, I'm having to get this addressed and fixed. So if y'all know me, I usually do videos on videos that can help out the G35 fam. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the symptoms, show y'all where to locate the blower motor. I know there's videos out there showing how to replace it and all that, but I just thought I'd incorporate the whole location of the blower motor, because I'm going to try to attempt to fix it. If not, I already have another part on order that I'm going to replace it with. But for the most part, I'm going to show y'all some of the symptoms, and yeah, we're going to see if I can get this fixed. But like always, guys, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Alright, guys, so like I had mentioned, my blower motor isn't working properly. The main thing that I wanted to show y'all and let y'all hear is what it sounds like. So some of the symptoms that you're gonna experience is that, yes, the air condition and the heater, they'll still be working, but the air pressure is gonna, it won't be as strong as it is if it's fully working properly. Not only that, guys, but the noise that you're going to hear from the floorboard on the passenger side is where it's located at. I'll show you that. But the noise you're going to hear is, to me, I would compare it to like a helicopter. It's a loud, noise that's like a grinding, or like just like a knock. Let me show y'all. Look, I'm going to turn on the AC. So as you can see and hear, I'm gonna turn it off. It gets louder the higher you put the AC. Location of the blower motor is gonna be on the passenger side, right under the glove box. So all you gotta do is just take off this cover. The way to do it is you're gonna have a clip here and a clip here. So I just usually pull down right here and then right here, like that. And then in the back you have a little bracket right here where these little tabs go. So when you put it back, just make sure you sit it right in there and then push it up. But for the most part, that's where the location of the blower motor is. I'm gonna turn on the air and you're gonna hear it a little bit louder. So that being said, guys, to remove this, it's real easy. I don't know if you could see, but there is 3 Phillips screws that you just got to remove, and then with your flathead you just got to take it off right here, the connection. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on because I'm gonna test it with everything still connected and see if I can find the issue. So let me remove all of this and see what I can find. Once you remove that cover, guys, as you can see, it just falls out. I still have it connected because I'm going to try to visually inspect and see if I notice anything. But so far, I mean, I noticed that this wheel is real loose. So I don't know if maybe any of the blades are, you know, hitting in the back. So I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's gonna have to either be probably the wheel bearing or something internal, because like I said, this is real loose. Let me take it off and inspect it a little more. All right, so visually inspecting it, guys, right off the bat, I noticed that it has a bad wobble to it. It's not a consistent turn. You see how it's just moving back and forth. What also I did notice is, I don't know if you can tell, but right there they have some screws. See if I can focus. So right there, I noticed that there's metal shavings on it, maybe from when it's scraping. See, like that, how it's grinding on the screw. So I'm thinking, yeah, this isn't sitting right, and it's causing, you know, it to make that loud noise. So we kind of pinpoint and figured out what the issue was. As you can see, the rotation on this isn't as smooth. It has a rough, you know, turn to it. It's grinding. I got the other one right here, so I'm gonna do a comparison side by side. You're pretty much gonna see the difference. So with the new one, nice and smooth, rotation is perfect compared to this one. Can barely get half a turn in. So that being said, I'm gonna replace it with the new one. This one right here, we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. We don't need it no more. And yeah, I'm gonna install this one. So guys, got everything put back together, got the car on. I'm gonna go ahead and test the AC. Let's see if we hear anything. So right off the bat, the air already feels nice and cool. I don't hear any sounds, which is good. Like I mentioned, the two main symptoms that you're gonna notice if your blower motor is bad is the pressure from the vents isn't going to be as strong. Like I said, I already feel the AC. Put it a little bit higher. And of course, I do not hear that noise of the grinding, and you know, I like to call it the helicopter because it sounds like, you know, it's knocking. But for the most part, guys, I think I fixed the issue. So I think all it was just, this was a little wear and tear. It was already getting older, and probably the bearing was going bad or something was causing it to wobble. But for the most part, I'm glad I'm able to fix it. If this video was helpful to y'all, then do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Like I mentioned, there are videos on how to replace this. So, you know, I just thought I'd incorporate this because I needed to figure out the issue. And you know me, like I said, if I have an issue and I'm able to fix it, I'm gonna try to share it out with, you know, somebody that can, you know, learn from it or experience the same thing. But like always, guys, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and that's pretty much it. It looks like everything's working perfectly fine. So if y'all have any questions or comments or anything, leave a comment down below and I'll help you out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like always, it's your boy Giovanni. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.